Hello again, this is David Bell, 19-year veteran in the mortgage industry, certified credit counselor, Financial Peace University instructor, and Vice President of Gershman Mortgage here in beautiful, back on the block, Clive, Iowa.
And I'm Fabio Rivas, United States Marine Combat veteran, VA Rep Government Affairs Director for the Iowa chapter, and I've been around the financial industry for over a decade now.
And today we'll be starting a series of videos focused on field stripping one of our favorite weapons in the mortgage lending arsenal, the VA Home Loan Program.
We're going to be dropping some knowledge about the VA Home Loan Program because the fact of the matter is you need to have this full battle rattle in your grape so that you don't end up jumping into a home purchase that might be a situation that's good initiative but bad judgment.
Right. This video will focus on the initial key parts to the VA loan.
It's going to break down who qualifies and who doesn't. This program is for veterans and active duty military.
So if I went to boot camp and got out on a medical, do I qualify?
Nope. In fact, there's guidelines for this.
So let's break down these guidelines. One, you need 90 days of consecutive active duty during wartime or 181 days during peacetime to qualify. Or 6 years SAT service in the National Guard or Reserves.
So what are the benefits?
All right, lower rate than conventional loans. For the most part, VA loans follow the KISS method. You know, keep it simple, stupid.
I've actually never heard of that.
Oh, well, I have back in school all the time. Maybe my teachers were just calling me stupid.
Maybe. Anyway, the interest rate is typically the same regardless of the credit score and down payment, if any.
Conversely, conventional loans increase their rate of interest based on the risk levels. The lower the credit score means higher rate. Less money down, higher rate.
So VA is one of the two government loan programs along with USDA that is pure 100% financing.
There is no additional second mortgage or some grant you have to apply for or some crazy adjustment to rate.
So 100% financing, boom.
Boom.
And VA loans have no mortgage insurance.
This is a fee that civilians have to pay if they don't have 20% down payment on a home loan. As veterans using your VA eligibility on a VA home loan, you are not required to pay this.
So the savings from mortgage insurance alone could equal hundreds of dollars a month.
Let's talk about another cool feature. The VA loan program also allows for assumability.
This means if you decide to sell your house a little bit later in life when rates are higher, you could sell your home to the buyer and they could assume the lower interest rate that you have on the current existing loan.
Making this a pretty cool selling point in a higher interest rate market.
So today we hit the highlights regarding the VA loan program.
Catch us on the next video, and this will help you get squared away on more detailed facts, such as
The documents you might need to confirm your VA eligibility.
how to obtain your certificate of eligibility,
Plus, we talked about how the VA funding fee applies to each type of service.
and how a disability rating of 10% or higher will affect that funding fee.
Later on, we're also going to be discussing how a second-tier entitlement loan works and how the VA EARL program works when you decide to refinance your house.
Remember, knowing is half the battle, and knowledge is power, and it's very lightweight. But the devil is in the details. I'm David Bell
And I'm Fabio Rivas.
with Gershman Mortgage. Get educated, not sold.